Now we take the next question. Find the equation of a straight line on which the length of perpendicular from origin is 2. Therefore again P is given to be 2 and the perpendicular makes an angle alpha with the x-axis such that sine alpha is 1 by 3. This is your situation. This is your line. This is the perpendicular. Now this is given to be 2. This perpendicular is 2 and this is alpha. Now they have not given you alpha, they have given you the value of sine alpha. Sine alpha is 1 by 3. Now again you will have to think over it that since sine alpha is given to be positive, this is a positive value. Therefore alpha lies in which quadrant? If sine alpha is positive, alpha will lie in either the first quadrant or the second quadrant. These are the two possibilities. Therefore straight away you should now understand that there are two equations which are possible, either this case or this case. In this case also the perpendicular would be 2 and the alpha would be this angle, and in both cases sine alpha will come out to be positive. The equation that we will use is x cos alpha plus y sine alpha is equal to P, but you should realize that in first quadrant the value of cos alpha will also be positive and sine alpha will also be positive. But in second quadrant, cos alpha will give you a negative output, but sine alpha will give you positive output. And to find the value of cos alpha, we will use the triangle rule, which we have learnt in trigonometry. Now this is alpha. Sine alpha is 1 by 3, therefore this is perpendicular upon, this is what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 1, hypotenuse is 3, therefore what is the base? 3 square minus 1 square, which is 2 root 2. Now we can find cos alpha. What is cos alpha? Base upon hypotenuse. Base is what? 2 root 2, hypotenuse is what? 3. But the only difference would be, in first case we will take cos alpha positive, in the second one we will take cos alpha negative. Now the first case, if alpha lies in first quadrant, so your equation of line would be x into 2 root 2 by 3, sine alpha is obviously 1 by 3 is equal to P is given to be 2. So 2 root 2 x plus y is equal to 6. You have taken 3 as LCM. And in second case, if alpha lies in second quadrant, then minus 2 root 2 by 3x, because cos alpha would be negative in this case, and y by 3 would be 2. Therefore minus 2 root 2x plus y would be 6. This would be the second option that you will have. Therefore it is very, very imperative that you know your trigonometry very well. The value of alpha will determine the cases, or if alpha is given, then you are pretty much sure in which quadrant your line is lying. But if sine alpha or any trigonometric function in terms of alpha is given, then you will have to realize in which quadrant are they giving you positive outputs, in which quadrant they are giving you negative outputs. Therefore you will have to make cases in that case. If alpha is given, then straight away you know. Let's say if alpha is 30, you know it is in the first quadrant. If alpha is 300, you know it is in fourth quadrant. Straight away you know in which quadrant your equation will lie. But if trigonometric functions are given in terms of the angle, then you will have to realize, looking at its sign, you will have to realize in which quadrant they will lie, and accordingly you will have to make cases for those situations. I hope you have understood the question.